Hi, I'm Sarah from Jobber. Campaigns help you send your clients professional-looking email marketing campaigns that build lasting relationships and boost your business. Once you've added campaigns to your plan, select Marketing from the side navigation, then select Campaigns. From here, click New Campaign. You will see some templates you can use to set up your campaign, or you can create a one-off campaign from scratch. There are two types of campaigns. One-off, these are campaigns that are sent either manually or on a scheduled date and time, or automated. These are campaigns that will send automatically when clients meet the selected campaign triggers, like after a quote or visit. I'm going to click Seasonal Offer to create a new one-off campaign using a template. Let's start with recipients. You can edit who receives your email by filtering your client list using any of the available filters. I'm going to narrow down the list further by using a client tag. I want to exclude some clients from this email, so I'm going to use the Does Not Contain option. Now that I'm happy with the client segment, I'm going to click Save. Next is the email content. I want this email to promote spring cleanup services, so I'm going to add some details about what I'm offering, including a header image. I'll pick a bright seasonal photo that grabs attention and helps the email feel fresh and inviting. Now, I'm no email marketer, so I'm going to use the Rewrite button to clean up what I've written. For this campaign, I'm going to select Cheerful. That looks great. You can set your call to action button here to be whatever you'd like. I'd like to get more bookings in my calendar, so I'm going to change it to my Jobber online booking page and change the color to match my company's branding. Along the side of the page is a preview of what my email will look like. This looks good to me, so I'm going to select Save. Now we're back on the Review campaign page, where we can see an overview of everything we've just set up. If this is the first campaign you're sending, you'll be prompted to make sure the email address listed belongs to you. If everything looks good here, you can choose to send the campaign now or schedule it to send later. Let's click Send so that the campaign will start hitting your clients' inboxes right away. Back on the campaign's homepage, we can see the campaign we just set up in the list of campaigns. This is where you can track the percentage of clients who opened your email, the percentage of clients who clicked a link in the email, the revenue of jobs booked by the recipients in the next 30 days, the email status, and when the campaign was last updated. To see more details of a specific campaign, click on it from the list to open up the campaign details. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.